Yo guys, what's going on? Today we're talking about how to get free gold in King's Choice application. As you can see for my mobile devices, this application King's Choice Plus Plus is already installed, and this application allowed you to generate free gold for your account. So how it's work? Basically it's very simple. All you need to do, you must enter amount of gold as you want, press next, and now is already everything generated for our account. So we must wait to complete of this process. After finish, our account will be open. Okay, wait maybe 1 minute, and now everything is work. I get this gold absolutely for free. I get tons of gold. So this application King's Choice Plus Plus is already working for Android or iOS devices. So how to get this application for your mobile devices? Basically it's very easy method. Okay, this is last step. Application is already installed in my mobile devices and everything is work. It's super easy tutorial, so enjoy and thank you for watching.